What's going on, guys? I have a big announcement. For the first time ever, I'm doing an 8-week challenge, and you're gonna have a chance to win cash, prizes, choose supplements, and an annual membership to my coaching program. All you have to do is be a member of my Blueprint coaching program. If you're already a member, you're already enrolled. All you need to do is take before and afters and be active in my private Facebook group. For those of you who aren't part of my program yet, this is a perfect time for you guys to start your shred, get shredded for summer, and at the same time, you can win some cash prizes, some true supplements, and annual membership. Again, all you need to do is be a member of my coaching program, and it's on sale right now, so just click the link, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you 3 hacks on how to do your push-ups if you're not able to complete full motion reps. These are 3 ways that you actually could perform the movement without actually having the strength to actually perform it yet. My third option is using a pull-up bar and resistance band. Now with this one, you're gonna need two bands. One to hook it on the bar or anchoring anywhere, and the other one, you're gonna put it in between here, and you're gonna use this for support. It's gonna allow you to do more push-ups, and you can use appropriate level resistance bands to give you more support. So thicker ones will give you more support. But I'm using these, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your arms around here. And as you go down, it's gonna help you go back up. It makes the push-up a lot easier when you're not able to fully complete and execute regular push-ups. Makes it a lot easier. Again, if you want more help, just use thicker bands. This option is available when you have, you could anchor the band on top, like on a tree or a pull-up bar, and you have 2 bands like this. Now the second option is utilizing, again, a band as well, but you're gonna use some parallel bars. So the way this one works is, again, grab an appropriate level resistance bands. I'm gonna use the yellow one this time. You're gonna put it up here. You're gonna put this one over here the same. You're gonna create a support system like this. And you're gonna do your push-ups on top of this. Now you gotta make sure that the bars are set in the right distance, because if they're too far apart, they're gonna come over. So you wanna make sure that they're a good distance, I would say a good shoulder width apart, so it's nice and stable and they don't tip over. And find the right resistance band for support, and you could do any push-up like this, where you could go down and it's gonna push you back up. So it'll allow you to do some push-ups this way. So that's another option. Now, my favorite option is just using a resistance band. I'm gonna use this green one here. Say you don't have access to an anchor like a pull-up bar or a tree, or you don't have some equalizers like this. For this one, all you're gonna need for support is a resistance band. So with this one, you're just gonna fold it up in 2, like this. You can use this band, or any band for that matter. The thicker it is, the more assistance it'll give you. You're gonna place it over here, right around your bicep area, and then you're gonna do your push-ups with this on like this. So as you go down, the resistance band is gonna help you on your way up. It's gonna make it a lot easier. And you're gonna see, this is the easiest version. This is my top one, less equipment. All you need is a band. You come down, and on the way up, it helps you up. So you're able to do push-ups if you're not able to complete any regular push-ups. This is a perfect one to just bust out a bunch of them, or a good amount of reps where you're not able to complete regular reps. So there you go, guys. Those are 3 push-up hacks to be able to do push-ups when you're not able to do any. These are good options for you to complete your reps if you're trying to reach a certain amount of reps, like 10, 12, 15, 20, whatever your program is designed to. This is a good option to actually get used to the movement of the push-up when you're not able to do a push-up just yet. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, don't forget my summer challenge is starting May 1st. Make sure to take advantage of this, guys. We're gonna offer a bunch of prizes, thousands of dollars worth of prizes, supplements, and get in the best shape of your life by this summer. So just click the link in the description and I'll see you there.